Tired of that hefty cable bill just to catch some games? Let's settle the score once and for all. Can you watch ESPN Plus without a TV provider? The answer is a resounding yes. ESPN Plus is a standalone streaming service, meaning you don't need a traditional cable or satellite subscription to enjoy its content. Think of it like Netflix, but for sports. To get started, you'll need to subscribe directly to ESPN Plus. You can do this through the ESPN website, the ESPN app, or through third-party providers like Hulu or Disney Plus. If you're looking for a bundle deal, simply visit the ESPN Plus website or open the ESPN app on your preferred device. Then look for the subscription options, choose the plan that best fits your needs, and complete the sign-up process. Once subscribed, log in with your ESPN account credentials. Now, you can access all the live games, on-demand content, exclusive shows, and documentaries that ESPN Plus has to offer. So ditch the cable box and those unnecessary fees. ESPN Plus gives you access to a ton of great sports content without needing a TV provider. Enjoy.